Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE RedMagic 6R, and today I'll show you how you can import your contacts that are located on your SIM card to the device. Now to get started, you'll want to open up your standalone contacts application, which I believe might be located in Google folder. Nope. Tools. So under Tools, you'll find your contacts. And from here, you can see that we already have a bunch of contacts. They have several, though most of them, apart from just one, is located on the SIM card. You can see this based on this tiny little icon that indicates that the contact is on the SIM card. If I were to remove that SIM card, the contact would disappear. So from here, we're going to start off by tapping on the three dots and then selecting Contacts Advanced Settings, Import from SIM card, and it asks you where you want to import the contacts to. You have option of mobile phone or your Google account. If you are logged in, obviously this will show up. If you haven't logged into your Google account just yet, this option will just not be visible right here. But from here, obviously you can select which option you want. Just tap on it once more. This will then display all the contacts that are on your SIM card. You can select them all by tapping right here, and you can deselect some of them if you don't want all of them manually. From there, select import the selected contacts, tap on the text, and that's it. I believe they have been now imported, and yep, you can see that they are now duplicated. So from here, if you want, you can show or hide contacts, I guess. Normally, if you would be using something like the Google version of contacts, you can tap somewhere around here and select that you want to, for instance, show contacts from your Google account, phone, or all of them. Here, I don't see this kind of option, so you can just hide them. Now, if you're wondering why the heck would you be importing them if now it duplicates them and you need to hide them, contacts that are on your phone will have more options under them than the ones that are on the SIM card. So SIM card has just limited amount of storage, and I mean like really limited amount of storage in terms of like it's in size of kilobytes. But on the phone, obviously it's not restricted by size. So for instance, when it's on your phone, you can add things like contact photos, the things like date of birth, additional phone numbers to it, and plethora of other things, which you can usually view by editing or tapping on a contact. It will show it right here. And obviously also when you go to edit, you can see we have some things like mobile, home, groups, ringtones, position, which I'm not really sure what the purpose of this is, notes, and there should be more, though I haven't ever used this kind of contact application, so I don't know how you add more info, but obviously there is more options in here. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.